Welcome back to the Elite Leisure Traveller, and today we are in the beautiful Kota Kinabalu, where we're checking into the stylish Meridein, a modern seafront escape that blends city convenience with stunning views of the South China Sea. If you're wondering what to expect, here's your full tour in just under 4 minutes. We'll start off with the rooms, and this was a 3-night stay for a family of 4. We actually booked 2 rooms, but were upgraded from one of the rooms to an ocean-facing suite, and it did not disappoint. It was spacious and contemporary, with a king-size bed, plush seating area, a large work desk, and full-length windows overlooking the sea. I have to say we were treated very well at check-in, and we even found some great amenities in the room for our children. The bathroom is great, with a rainfall shower, separate tub and premium amenities. And yes, you get that perfect Sabah sunset right from your bedroom. The breakfast is served at latest recipe just off the lobby on ground floor, and it's got everything you need from Western staples to Malaysian favourites like nasi lemak and roti canai. Fresh fruit, made to order eggs and proper coffee make it a great start to the day. The rooftop pool is a standout with panoramic views over the waterfront. It's the perfect place to cool off or watch the sunset. Perched beside the rooftop pool is the Azure Pool Bar and Cafe. This restaurant has recently been renovated and offers a full Malaysian menu. This casual yet stylish spot is perfect for enjoying the sea breeze while indulging in a variety of local and Southeast Asian street food varieties. The menu features a range of dishes that showcase the rich flavours of the region, including grilled seafood skewers, juicy burgers, refreshing salads, and for those looking to cool off, Azure serves an array of ice creams and desserts that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Whether you're looking to take a break from the swimming or simply soak up the sun, this place provides a relaxing and inviting atmosphere that's hard to beat. The gym is compact but well equipped with treadmills, free weights and resistance machines. It's clean, air conditioned and perfect for a quick holiday workout. However, the machines themselves are a little bit dated and can do with an upgrade. If you've booked a suite or have Marriott Bonvoy Elite status, the Meridian Club Lounge is a quiet, exclusive retreat that adds a touch of luxury to your stay. Located on a high floor with sweeping views of the city and the sea, the lounge offers a calm, refined atmosphere, perfect for when you're catching up with emails or just enjoying some downtime. You'll get complimentary breakfast, all-day refreshments and a lovely evening cocktail hour, canapes, local snacks and a great selection of wines and spirits. It's an ideal spot to unwind before dinner or take in the sunset away from the crowd. The staff here are very attentive and professional, and the overall vibe is much more relaxed than the main dining areas. And if the lounge wasn't enough, head up to the rooftop bar. It's stylish, laid back and perfect for the golden hour. Great cocktails, a cool breeze and unbeatable sunset views. What more do you need? If you have liked this video, please do like and subscribe. I'm not a sponsored channel and I do appreciate all of my subscribers. Whether you're here for island hopping, food adventures or just some downtime by the sea, the Méridien KK is a fantastic base. Modern comfort, excellent service and some of the best views in the cities.